It is time for an exciting installment of Stick or Spider Leg. We really think it is a spider leg and not a stick after much study. And given the size, I really don't want to see the spider that came from. And there it is, out of the water. Ugh, yuck. They're still playing and just fighting in general. And there are no large spiders in the water, so I don't know where that came from. If it is indeed a spider leg. Maybe someone will say, no, it's a stick. That's fine, that's good. But man, it just has the hair, the fur, the hairy. Oh, no, I think it's a spider leg. Do you think it's a spider leg?
Yes.
Okay. So, boy child thinks it's a spider leg?
Yes.
Tiny, what do you think? She doesn't know. Fuzzy thinks yes, Mama thinks yes. Tiny doesn't know. What do you think, Internet? A little poolside beverage service for the wasp here.
Are you still ready, kids? No, I got a nose. Got water on my nose.
Also a little poolside beverage service for the bird, little bird that hops around here. So cute. I can't believe I finally had the camera in hand when I saw the bird. Oops, I'm floating. Whoops. Also, the reason I even have the camera right now is because we're the only ones in the pool. We had to go from 2 to 4 instead of my choice slot, which is 4 to 6. And I was so busy getting the kids fed. And we got here a little late, but I forgot to eat. So, I'm hungry. Oh well. Yes. It is definitely a spider leg. There's about 6 weeks left in this location, and in 2 months, less than 2 months, we will be back in Ohio. It's crazy to think about. Kids are having a good time. You want to take it home?
Sure.